This control panel has over 500 settings that act like real water. Just choose one you like and get rowing.
How about this one? I think it's stuck. Just a little harder. I think it's stuck. Oh!
Ooh, that's not how Mama Make did it.
That shouldn't be happening. Oh, we'd better see what's wrong.
Is it broken?
Daddy Go just set it to frozen ocean by mistake. That's the toughest setting of them all.
Maybe you should try something with less buttons, Daddy Go.
Yes, less buttons. Aha! A treadmill. That's perfect.
This treadmill fits 2 runners, and it's voice activated. Just tell it to start, and it starts.
Start.
This is fun, like running around in the park.
And it's faster than rowing.
Faster.
Huh? Why is it going faster?
Faster.
Ah!
We'll save you, Dada. Whatever you do,
Don't say that word, Maya.
What word, Dada?
Faster.
Faster.
Ah!
Quick! Pull the emergency lever.
Wait.
Ah!
Are you all right, Dada Go?
Yes, but I might need to build up fitness before I do more running. Oh, luckily I've plenty more.
Looks like Dada Go's very busy.
Well, if I twist it this way, and then I twist it that way, and then... Aha! There you are. Our first order, ready to go.
What animals are these, Dada?
That's the monkey, the dinosaur, and the elephant. Right, better get on.
This is your dinosaur. Having a sleep after a long day. So, this is your monkey, doing a roly-poly. And this is your elephant, doing some lovely ballet dancing. They're different from the balloon animals that we normally get. I love my monkey. He's cuddly.
And I love my dinosaur. Thank you.
Me too. You're actually really good at this, Dada.
I know, it's amazing.
How's it all going?
Rather well, I have to say.
Dada Go, we've been trying to find some flowers to give to Miss Teach, but there aren't any anywhere. We don't have a thank you present to give her now.
Oh no! Maybe we can help with that, Dada.
Yes, Maya, maybe we can.
It's nearly the end of the carnival, and everyone has gathered to say thank you to Miss Teach.
So, let's say a big thank you to Miss Teach for all her hard work. And we should have some flowers for you somewhere.
Looks like Maya and Dada Go have been rather busy.
They're beautiful. Thank you.
We're helping a lot at the carnival this year, Dada.
Yes, Maya, and it's not over yet.
Who's next? Can I get a big balloon bouncy castle like that one?
It's okay, Maya. It's a bit of oily gunk and grease. And mud. I mean, look on the bright side. It can't get any dirtier than it is already.
That's the spirit, Dada Go. But who's this blocking the path? It's RTÉjr, of course.
Hello, everyone. Hello, RTÉjr. Lovely day for a... Oops. Oh, sorry about that, Dada Go. Totally my fault. Oh, not to worry. It could happen to anyone. Maybe if you kept cycling instead of stopping, it might have missed you. Yes, it seems so obvious now. Thank you, RTÉjr. Sorry again, Dada Go. My new bicycle! I thought it was the dirtiest it could get after the oily gunk.
And now there's a thick layer of mud on top of the oily gunk, as well as the muddy water.
Maybe it's time to go home.
I'll help you clean your bike, Dada. We can use the garden hose.
Yes. Oh, maybe that will work.
Everyone is back at home now, and Dada and Maya are trying to clean Dada's bike.
The mud's not coming off, Dada.
I know that sound. It's Mama Help.
Oh, what happened to your new bicycle, Dada Go?
Well, it rained, and then there was some oil and grease.
And some mud.
Yes, lots of mud.
We can't get it clean. even with the garden hose.
I can help with that.
Looks like Mama Help has a plan.
Actually, I think a fire hose might be a bit too powerful for a bicycle.
Stand back.
I can't bear to watch!
Look, Dada!
Oh, my new bike! It's clean and shiny again! Oh, thank you, Mama Help!
No problem. I wish I could say the same about you, though, Dada Go.
Yes, I am rather muddy, but we had the best bicycle ride ever. Right, Maya?
Right, Dada!
Ooh, it's a zippy little digger.
Vroom, vroom!
Now, we just turn it like so. Oh, nope. Maybe it's the other way. Actually, I think I had it right the first time.
It's not as easy as it looks.
Careful, Dada!
Just a second. Almost got it. And ouch!
It has the remote control!
Oh dear, not anymore, Maya.
What's it doing?
I think it's stuck on top speed.
Watch out, Doggy Go.
Oh, this thing's really getting out of hand.
Hang on, I'll switch it off.
That's easier said than done.
I'll stop it. Oh,
This earth mover's really moving, and it's headed for the kitchen.
come back!
Maybe we can trap it.
How?
Aha!
Good throw, Mama Go. Or maybe not.
We're going to need a bigger towel.
We can stop it in the hole.
Haha, cornered. Now's your chance.
It can climb stairs?
That wasn't in the television advert.
Stop that. Bad earth mover.
Get down from there!
This is completely out of bounds.
Ooh, that sounded expensive.
Well, maybe we can just wait for the battery to run out?
That takes 4 days. The only way to stop it is to turn it off.
We'll have to slow it down first.
What are we gonna do? Digger!
Oh, how are they ever going to stop it? Looks like Sammy has an idea. What's he got in mind? Oh, look out, Digger!
Digger, fly!
Oh.
Dada, it really does look like you.
Well, that settles it. The princess and the cowherder. If you'll all follow me, we can begin the tour. Here we have the Great Hall. This is where everybody who lived in Crokey Castle would eat their meals and then sing and dance.
What did they eat?
Lots and lots of dishes.
I wonder if the princess sat in this big chair.
Ah, the throne. Why not try it for yourself, Your Highness?
Ooh, it's just right. Now, my loyal subject, bring me more, food?
As you wish, Your Highness. But first, let's see some more of the castle. The stables are next. This way, please. All kinds of animals lived in the castle. Chickens for eggs, cows for milk, horses for riding on, and they all needed their own places to sleep.
Who's this friendly fellow?
I think you've made a friend, Dada Go.
What do you want? I'm just visiting.
That's very strange. Mabel is usually quite shy around people.
She must recognize you, Dada.
I am not the cowherder. Now, come on, shoo, let's go.
He's very good at herding cows, though. Oh well, This way, everyone. And now, the last part of the tour is this very, very tall tower. The knights would stand on top of these towers to spot rival kings and their legions from great distances.
Race you to the top.
You're on.
Wait for me. I've had enough of these stables. Well, I must say, conditions are really perfect.
For what, Henry?
For homemade lemonade and jam sandwiches, of course. Here's the lemonade, and the sandwiches should be in one of those boxes there.
This one? Ew! Worms!
Oh, sorry, girls. Wrong container. That's the food for the fishes.
Time for everyone to have a quick snack.
Oh, yummy! Dada, are we going to catch 100 fish today?
Well, I don't think we'll catch 100, maybe 2 or 3, hopefully. But we need to be patient, as it'll take time.
What happens if we catch a shark?
Don't worry, Emily. There's no sharks, but we do get other kinds of visitors from time to time. See?
Oh, can we feed the ducks?
Of course. Let me go to my van and get you some bread.
It looks like something is pulling at the fishing line.
Dada, the scavenger moved.
Oh, my goodness! Henry's caught something!
Hold on tight, Go. It looks like a big one. Don't let it pull you in. Oh, dear. Too late.
Oh, no, what's happened?
The scavenger got pulled in.
Maybe it was sharks.
Oh, no. There goes another one.
Oh no! Dada! Your fishing rods! Something is pulling at our fishing rods.
All right, everyone, hang on to me.
The doggy go. We need you to help too. Oh no! It looks like the fishing lines have got tangled up in something.
It's a big tire.
Well, that's about the strangest thing I've ever caught. Oh, how's your fishing rod, Go?
It snapped in 2.
Dada, I think I have an idea.
What's that, Maya?
One new tree swing coming up, Maya.
Excellent idea, Maya. As I always say, never refuse to reuse.
Here come Mama and Sammy Go to find out how everyone got on.
So did you catch anything?
Not exactly.
Not the right weather for it, I think.
I see. So, is anyone interested in having those fish fingers after all?
Yes, please.
Please?